Growing long, healthy nails naturally is possible with consistent care and the right habits. Here's a complete and easy guide to help your nails grow faster, stronger, and healthier, naturally. 1. Eat nail-friendly foods. Healthy nails start from within. Include in your diet biotin-rich foods, eggs, almonds, bananas, sweet potatoes, protein, lentils, chicken, tofu, omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds, walnuts, fish, zinc and iron, spinach, pumpkin seeds, beans. It may take a few weeks, but consistent healthy eating shows results. 2. Stay hydrated. Dry nails break easily. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep them hydrated and prevent peeling or splitting. Pro tip: sleep with gloves or socks over your hands after applying oil for deep nourishment. 4. Trim and file regularly. Even if you're trying to grow them, regular trimming prevents breakage, encourages even growth, keeps shape clean. 5. Avoid these habits: biting your nails, using nails as tools to open cans, etc. Overusing nail polish remover, especially acetone. Constant exposure to water. Wear gloves when washing dishes. 6. Use a nail hardener. Natural options: DIY natural nail strengtheners. Lemon juice plus olive oil. Soak 10 minutes daily. Garlic infused oil. Massage for strength and faster growth. 7. Let them breathe. Take a break from nail polish for a few days each week. Constantly covering your nails with polish or fake nails can weaken the natural nail bed. 8. Get enough sleep. Your body repairs and grow. 8. Get enough sleep. Your body repairs and grows tissue while you sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep to support overall nail and skin health. 9. Gentle nail care routine. Use a soft nail brush to clean under your nails. Avoid metal tools pushing the cuticles harshly. Use a non-toxic nail polish if needed. 10. Hand cream with SPF. Sun can damage your hands and nails too. Use a hand cream with SPF when going out to prevent damage.